to be a bird family on the roof.
There's going to be a bird family on the roof?
Yeah, because I'm putting wood on there. And I'm putting wood up.
Oh, he's going to be mad. We're going to have seagulls all over.
Over the yard.
They're going to be on the roof.
Even on the grass.
Probably. Well, no, I think Abby ate all the bread on the grass already.
Oh, no, not all on the grass.
Most of it she did. No!
I guess I'm going to have to put on the roof so I can't eat.
Those shoes are really nice, James.
What?
Do you like them?
Show me. Don't go near the edge of the deck with those shoes. Show me your shoes.
The shoe?
What are those?
Auntie.
Aunties?
No, those aren't aunties. Those are too big to be aunties. Those look like grandpa's shoes.
Grandma?
Grandpa's.
Grandpa wears shoes with buckles and stripes.
Yep, and a little bow.
Yep.
Bet
We're
you
going
can't
to have
dance
a
in
bird
those, huh?
family on the roof.
Yeah, well, you know, it happens with birds.
What?
What happens when you feed them?
What?
What happened to Grandma's head? Remember I told you?
A party on your head.
They did. They had to potty on Grandma's head.
Could you not wait a while
I could take-
the poop off of your head?
Yes, I couldn't wait. What do you think? I want to stay with it on my head?
Yeah?
Would you?
Yeah?
No, you wouldn't. Stay. No, not near the edge of the deck.
I'm going
Especially when
to
it's
make
wet.
a meat on the road.
Okay. Oh, try to land it on the grill.
Underhand it.
And okay, like this.
Underhand it.
Yep.
Yeah, just a little.
Like this. All right, stay back farther. You're shooting too far, so just stand back. You've got a long arm.
Too far.
All right, so
Pull it
stand
up
back
with
where
your
you are.
balls. Make it a little square. Just rip off a tiny square and flop it on there. You're
That's it.
balling
That's
up.
stay there. Stay there.
There you go. Right there.
No, stay there, Jamie. You're going too far and you're shooting. Don't. No, Jameson. No, you're gonna fall. All right, just stay back here. Because you're throwing it too far. So if you stay back there, it'll be just right. Stay right there. That's it. See. Well, no, not on the roof. Not on the roof. Not on the roof. Jameson.
Bird pooper.
Uh-oh. Juju Bean.
Bird family on the roof.
Uh-oh, Juju.
Everyone's going to be mad because Bono's going to
Ha! You got it on Grandma.
Now I'm going to be mad that we have a bird family over here.
A bird family?
I hope it doesn't go on edge. How?
Don't tell Eddie.
Are they going on edge?
Don't tell Eddie. You're crazy.
Don't say the third time either.
And don't put it on there.
Jameson, no.
James, you know what's going to happen. It's going to get in the gutters.
No, I got the gutter guards.
Bird family on the roof. I'm going to make a bird family with on the roof on the house.
Where do you come up with these ideas?
I
Those
want-
shoes. Always an event coming up here, huh?
Oh, now it's in the laundry basket. Oh.
That's why I gotta wash those curtains.
Now there's going to be a bird family on the roof.
Just don't email anybody.
Why?
Don't email the birds. Who did you email today, Jameson?
I can't remember.
President?
Yeah, President.
Do you remember his name? Oh, you stepped out of your shoe. Oh, those socks are gonna be kapoots. Kapoots. I just plagued. That's stay in your sock. I'll just give you new socks when you go in. I'm sure I have a pair. Oh, it's Jameson George. Not near the edge of the deck, please. All right, come on, Jim. You worry me. We have to go to the duck pond to take Jocelyn.
Why?
She's never seen ducks.
Well, we don't go to anymore.
Well, we'll take her. Well, as soon as Mommy gets out of school, we'll have more time.
Oh.
I know we're on the roof, Jane. Grandpa's really gonna get mad. That's enough. Throw it in the grass. Just throw it in the grass. That's as far as you can go.
I want to make it go in the cloud.
Hurry up.
And put on
Oh, James. Uh-oh. No, no, don't stand on there, Jameson. You fall and hit your head. Uh-oh, on the slide. The birds are going to come on the slide. Not in your socks. Oh, Jameson, Jameson. Do you have to act like a boy all the time? Whoop. Watch your knees. Oh, you want to make it on the roof of the clubhouse?
Yeah, I can't make it on there. Let me try with an. Maybe I can make it.
Well, you have a long arm, a good throw, so just stand back a little bit. That's far enough, Jameson. Jameson, you're going to fall down. Jameson, enough. James, please get down. See? You almost fell. James! You're going to get it. You're going to get it. I'm going to give you such a big kiss. You want a beating? No. Does Grandma give you beatings? Nobody better give you a beating.
What?
Anybody gives you a beating, you tell them come see Grandma.
No, Dad.
I don't care how old you are.
Now they're going to be a bull. Now me on the roof.
I know.
Guy was playing flat on the roof.
Oh boy. And we're going to have big, I hope it's not a woodpecker. You know, Jameson, come on. We got to go in the house and wash your hands. That water, you shouldn't be playing in old water. That's not very healthy. Oh, James. Oh, you are such a boy.
What would that one?
Soggy, soggy bread. Yuck. Soggy, soggy bread.
How did I do that?
With the rake. That's enough. That's enough, Jamie. We have to dump that water out, honey.
I'm going to.
That's how much rain we got. That little bit of time, that's how much rain. Just shove it off the deck. Walk it off the deck and dump it. Can you do that? What? Watch the rake because this has points on it. You should be very careful with this. And never keep the points up, honey. Wait, Jamie. Okay. Can you get it? Watch. Don't get wet yourself, please. Oh, I said off the deck. What happened? Your ears aren't the listening ears today?
Yeah, today.
You left them home? Okay, now let's go take those socks off. Do a couple splashes. No, his socks. Jim, I never thought I could occupy you with a half a loaf of bread for an hour.
Now they're going to be a boat family all over the yard.
A bird family all over? We have a lot of birds.
Now going to be a playground.
We have a lot of birds. Across the street is a bird sanctuary.
What is
That's
that?
what, you hear all the different kind of birds? That means nobody could bother them.
Well, nowhere to bother
You
them?
can't build on it and you can't cut down a lot of trees.
What?
Because that's where they live. That's their home. When you get up in the morning, just sit, lay in bed and listen.
That one went way back there.
Yep. James, get up in the morning and listen to all the different kind of bird calls here.
What?
Listen to all the different birds. They all have different sounds they make. It's really cool. I like to listen to it. When you first get up in the morning, they're just waking up. Sometimes they get up at 5 o'clock. When I'm getting up, I hear them.
Tweet, 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 tweet,
Yep.
tweet, tweet.
Some whistle, some,
Tweet, tweet,
and the
tweet,
doves sound like
tweet,
the owls.
tweet,
They
tweet,
coo. How do they do?
tweet, 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 tweet. Whoa, but I caught it pretty good.
Yes, you're a good
Tweet,
bird.
tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet.
You want to go on a bird watch when you're big?
Yes, yes.
You learn different bird calls, and they have whistles for different birds.
Now what Papa going to do if you know you
He's
bread
going to
on
give
the...
you, what's Papa going to give you?
What?
I don't know.
I don't
Is
know.
he going to yell?
Yeah.
Oh boy, I wouldn't be doing it then.
Now we're going to get the wind off the roof.
I have to wait till the wind comes or the birds eat it. Or it rains and washes it down.
And watching it?
Yeah. Oh, that's what you got to teach Jess, the little spider. And Grandma has a book. I got you a book, Incy Wincy Spider. It's in the living room. I forgot to tell you I bought it. When's your last day of school? Do you know?
No, I don't.
All right. The very last day of school, the next day that I have off, we'll go junking, okay? Would you like that? We'll go junking and go for a bagel or lunch?
Sure.
Sure? What do we say about junking? It's all in the what? The hunt?
Yeah.
You
But
hunt for...
Papa probably won't be able to Papa probably won't. He's not going to know who